All right. Happy Monday, guys. It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. Got the coffee on deck. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. So listen up. We're 2 days away from Christmas. By the way, Merry Christmas, guys. Happy holidays. Hope you're all having a great day. And with that being said, guys, we have to break down the stock market. And of course, this week, like I said, we're 2 days away from Christmas. It's going to be a little wonky, right? Wednesday, the markets are closed. Tomorrow's a half day. But still, we're going to break down the markets in this video, how we're looking so far today. Stocks I'm looking at, the whole 9 yards. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So it's about 11:15 a.m. on the East Coast right now, and we have every index except for QQQ, the NASDAQ 100, in the red. The S&P's down about 0.25%. The Dow's down 0.6%. We have the Russell down about 0.75% as QQQ is barely up 0.1% in the green, and we have the VIX up around 2%, and we have a mixed bag for the metals. Gold's down about 1%, whereas silver is up almost 0.7%. So yeah, pretty mixed bag to start off this week here, guys, which, again, it's going to be a weird week with Christmas Eve. Holiday weeks are typically lower in volume, less trading overall. But yeah, we're still going to cover what's going on in this video, guys. Here I have VTI pulled up. I'm not too sure why. Maybe because I just bought more actually earlier today. Like I do every Monday, I buy a little VTI in my long-term portfolios, guys. Part of my portfolio is VTI, as I'm sure a lot of you guys own that as well. But yeah, let's see what's going on. SPY right now is at $590 per share, and if we zoom in a bit on the 4-hour chart here, guys, it's pretty evident that we are struggling to break out of these moving averages at about 595 to about 598, 600, right around this $5 window on SPY. That's a big resistance, so that needs to break, guys. Whether it's this week, heading into the new year, we'll see, but that needs to break for this uptrend to continue, obviously, which as of now, I mean, guys, we are looking good on the charts. I mean, if I show you this on SPY, we're still very much in an uptrend, holding this channel. Pretty obvious. We're at the bottom of the channel right now. So SPY, this could end up being, a spot where if we do get a nice pop out of 595, 600, maybe we start going back to the top of the channel, 610, maybe higher. Another all-time high could be coming. That's kind of what I'm watching out for on the 4-hour chart. And it's the same thing on all these indexes pretty much, guys. QQQ is uptrending, making higher lows, looking to see if this continues here. The Russell, although it's down 0.75%, it's still holding the uptrend, consolidating on this trend line, which at some point, I think we will get a rally on this thing, and when that happens, if that happens, I'm going to be looking at IJR, which is a small cap ETF. We've covered it before here on the channel, so keep your eyes on that if we do get a rebound on the Russell. And the Dow is down about 0.5%, 0.6, whatever, but it's still holding an uptrend. We're above the 180 SMA. We're now down about 2,500 points from highs, which has opened up a nice opportunity, or not even a nice opportunity, but it's a healthy pullback, which could be a spot where we now rebound and see a continuation play. But overall, guys, we're not getting a full confirmation of a bounce yet on any of these indexes. We're down across the board except for QQQ, and even in QQQ, we're not fully breaking out or continuing the uptrend, if you will. Yet, guys, time will tell. Be patient, right? We got to have some patience during this holiday week. Like I said, it's going to be a little weird. But that's what we're looking like right now on the indexes. And when it comes to stocks, well, we do have some movement there. AMD is moving right now up around 5%, which I added more to my AMD position just before making this video here, guys, which, by the way, shameless plug, you guys can check out everything I do every week in my portfolio on Patreon, which that's linked right down below. But I did add more AMD today, which I've slowly been adding over the last couple of months here, guys. This is not a new position. I am down on it. It is, I think, one of my only red positions right now. I think it is my only red position, and I'm adding more to it. I keep bringing down that average cost. I think now it's in the 140s, low 140s, something like that. And yeah, I think AMD will do good or well in 2025, 2026. We'll see. Not guaranteed. But AMD's moving today, guys, 5% in the green. Tesla is also making a move up around 3%. We got a bit of a sell-off last week. I mean, it was a bit overbought, let's be honest. We also got news of 700,000 cars getting recalled, but we all know it's an over-the-air update. Nothing too crazy there, but we did get 700,000 vehicles recalled. So we did sell off a little bit here, but now it looks like Tesla might be rebounding, guys. Looks like we're holding above that 180 SMA. We're bouncing off 375, 400 as of now. And it looks like the continuation of the uptrend here might happen. It might, although I'm not looking to buy it here. It might go higher. Who knows? So Tesla looks pretty good today. Alibaba's up a little bit, 2.3%, although we're not seeing any sign of a continuation play here quite yet. We'll see. Let's see how we're looking. I mean, the uptrend's still holding, guys, but we're not really getting a bounce. I mean, all we're really getting is consolidation, I guess, over the past month, which you guys can see right here. So let's see and wait for the breakout on Baba. If it breaks out of, let's say, $90, that'd be the confirming spot for me. So I'm going to set my alert at 90. Mark is at or above, and we'll see what it does. If it's able to start breaking out of the moving averages on this 4-hour chart. So that's Alibaba, guys. Let's see what else is moving here. Looks like Google is up again. 0.5% in the green here for Google. Looks like we're back at 193. We hit 202 about a week ago. Then we sold down to 185. That was on Friday morning, I believe. And man, is that dip getting bought up. Now we're at 193, up around $8-9 off the low from Friday pre-market. And at this point, guys, maybe Google is getting ready for a shot back to $200 per share again. Dare I say, even higher. So Alphabet, Google, GOOG is the ticker. Looks really good here, in my opinion, for a continuation play. And let's do one more. Maybe let's see what stocks are selling off here. Looks like CCL selling off. Wait a second. They reported earnings on Friday. Numbers were pretty good. Looks like here we hit a fresh high this morning at 27.25. Now we're at 25.30, so we have pulled back about $2 off the highs from today. So maybe this ends up being a nice play off this 180 moving average here. Maybe we bounce off of that point. But yeah, CCL down 5.5% today. Watching the weakness on this. Coinbase is down. I think crypto took a bit of a beating over the weekend, guys. So Coinbase is getting hit today because of that, probably. Last I checked, Bitcoin was at like 95,000. I was actually on, I fell asleep on the couch last night. I mean, random completely. And I woke up at like 2 a.m. I'm like, what the heck's going on? Disoriented. I check my phone. I go on Coinbase. I don't know why. Don't ask. And then I see Bitcoin's down. It's at like 94, 95. I think XRP was at like 220. Those are the two cryptos I own right now. So I was like half asleep, and I just randomly bought more last night at like 1:30 a.m., 2 a.m., whatever that was. So that's how I know crypto did take a little beating this weekend. So I added a little more there. And you guys know I'm not a crazy crypto guy. It's not like I have, 30% of my portfolio in crypto or something. It's a very small part of my portfolio. I've traded it over the years. I first got into Bitcoin in 2017 to give you guys some perspective there. But I've been in and out of it for these years now. But now I'm just adding a little bit. I'm adding a little bit. And my plan is, if it takes a huge haircut next time it does, which at some point it does, it will. You guys know the crypto market, Bitcoin, how it goes. It's all cycles. Next time we get a big dump in crypto, guys, I'm going to be buying a good chunk of Bitcoin, not all these other ones. Because a little side story here, guys, then we'll wrap the video up. I remember like it was yesterday. I was in Miami on vacation with my wife. I was looking at Bitcoin. It was in 22, I think, and it was at $16,000 a coin. And I did not load the boat. I wish I did. It is what it is, guys. But next time it gets down there, I don't know if it'll get to 16 again. But if it gets to like 20, 30,000 a coin somehow during the next crash, which could happen easily, I'll be buying a bunch for sure, Bitcoin. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Join the email list. It's free. Check out my Patreon for my portfolio. All of that's linked down below. And if you want some free money, also linked down below. Open up your account with Moomoo and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, again, use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.